Good afternoon. This is Clannit, and the intention is to show a demonstration or a walkthrough the app. Clannit helps to manage social networks, and each person can belong to multiple social groups. In this example, we have a user who belongs to a residential estate. He also belongs to an alumni association and a power committee. So it belongs to 3 different groups, and it can switch from one group to the other. So I'm going to start with him being in the Clannit estate, which is his neighborhood community. Within the Clannit estate, there are many things that it can do. On the screen, it can invite guests into the estate. So this is an access control function that generates a code that can be sent to the guests as a code, a 7-digit code or a QR code. And this can go as a one-time or a permanent guest, or even create events to which multiple people can be invited, or guests can be invited to the event. A one-time code expires after a specific time within a date. A permanent code does not expire, and an event allows you to invite people as a group. You can also track to see all the people that have been invited by this particular person, and I can see their status. Have they come in? Have they not come in? Has their code been approved or not, or revoked, or anything like that? So that is the access control function. When the guest gets to the estate gate, they can either punch in their code into a keypad that opens the gate, or the security men at the gate can punch it into the Clannit app, and they have a screen where they can put in the code, and once the code is validated, they can open the gate and grant access to the person, and then the host, in this case myself, will get a notification. That's basically the access control function, and there are reporting tools around that. Then there's the alarm function that allows you to raise alarm, and if you press any of these, the alarm will sound on the phones of all members of the clan, and also of the security or the rapid response, whether it's the fire service or the police or whoever needs to get that alarm will get it, as long as they've been set up and it's directed towards them. We also have a collection function for the estate, so service charge, rent, and all those kind of things. The administrator or the landlord could have set this up, and the user will then see what needs to be paid and can pay straight from the app. And that goes to a payment platform where this payment can be made. It generates, in this case, we're using Remitter, which is a payment platform in Nigeria, and you can pay through any of the payment options, and the money goes straight to the bank. This allows the estate, in this case, or the clan or the group, to report on who has paid, who has not paid. Dunning messages are sent, and they can even penalize those who have not paid. And the user can also see things that they've paid for. In some cases, it generates a receipt number or a token if they were paying for utilities like electricity, so that token is interfaced or can be entered into their meter and things like that. You can see other residents within this residential community. You can find people. For example, this is one person, I can find the person, and so on and so forth. I have talked about paying for utilities, electricity, and so on. And obviously the meter number and all that information needs to be in there. We also have a marketplace on Clannit where users can buy and sell different things. So in this case, there's a user who is selling a motorbike, and I can actually chat with this user and, ask about the motorbike and so on, and agree, and then we pay outside Clannit. Finally, I will talk about the menu. So on the top left, I click on the menu. You can see that the user has a profile that can be edited by the user only. I have a member ID that has my profile picture and a QR code that is a unique ID, and the code, the number code is 22743 for me. I'm able to run polls. So if the community or the clan, in this case, the residential community, has generated polls for all the members, then I'm able to see it. As an example, if I click on one, you can see the polls, I can answer, and based on that, I can submit my poll. That goes into a report that anonymously collates the polling results, and that can be used for whatever decision the association wants to make. I can also create a new clan. In this case, it could be a closed clan or an open clan. It could be my group, so I can say flower group, and I can put in some text. I pick the type of clan. In this case, it's let's just say others, and I can say it's open so anybody can join. And once I create, it will create the clan. I don't know why it gave me that error. I think it's because I have others there. So let's say this is a fan group, and I say create clan. Okay, there is an error, but basically that's to create the clan. I can also join a clan. Every clan has a clan code. You put in the clan code here, you click on join, and you join the clan, basically. I can add members to my clan. So if I have people within my family and co that I want to add, or within a group that I want to add, I can easily add them to my existing clan. I can view members, or if I have domestic staff, I can also see who they are and see some information about them. For example, Somto is a nurse that works in the house. So this is for a residential clan. I could also change to another type of clan where the buttons that you can see at the top are slightly different, but they're a subset of what you've seen before. And what I can do here are quite similar. I can create a clan, I can join a clan, I can view members, I can run polls and things like that. So at the bottom of the screen, you have the individual chats and the group chats. These are old functions that are about to be changed, and we are replacing it with the forum. So this is what the forum looks like, and people will be able to post a picture, they'll be able to post a text against the picture, and a typical forum, you can chat around topics and reply to things and share with friends and family or whoever we're interested in. And then our post goes to the specific clan that we're interested in.